stickers are diving into the latest versions of Gboard and discovering unannounced features that appear to be getting prepared for future releases. The main features that has been noticed is AI-powered stickers, an entirely new AI-powered proofreading feature, and a whole lot else. As shown in Gboard 13.5, one certain development flags enable new features like proofreading can be used. With it, Gboard will take what you typed out and check it for grammar and spelling errors. Common errors like misusing there, and this will never happen again. Details of this feature appears that only drawback is the text is sent and stored on Google servers, so the proofreading isn't going to take place on the device itself, so there will be a security risk. When you use proofread, the text you write, your feedback and your interaction with the feature will be sent to and stored on Google servers. AI stickers are coming similar to the idea of Google's AI generated wallpaper. A user will enter words in a prompt and hopefully receive stickers related to the word. It's pretty interesting. It's mainly targeting the tablet and Pixel phones, but it will come for other phones. So